Usindise entweni eziningi, my friend. Like usindisile. Like lapho like what if ngabe one of us ulimele ushoni like singabulawa singatraffica singayenza yonke le mhlalo ebad nehewu yo vele bengisaba serious my friend nenze kahle shenge uyathatha Mariana bekadlala so wena uthenze kahle asirestela my friend mara mina ngiyakuthela ngathi lo yathatha ya uzofaya yamkhumbula makakhohlela yo Ula nje abakhohlela into engaphela yo abhema into engapheli ya room yakhe inuka into le yam room yakhe ithusayo yazi thina mefrena izinto zifunda kuma YouTube sina videos experience abanga like yo awusiphuma kuze nokuyicabanga ngisho ngithi umuntu yakhala uthi mara lo muntu is been there my friend serious is been there umuntu delivered she hayi straight Chantel yo ngiyana khaba yazibona konke luyada lo ngathi ungithayibile nyana loyo abangathi uyakufuna awuthi simcheke angithayipele la friend ngiyahamba abanye banice my friends abanye banice mina ivela ingoma ukuthi amadoda yisenjalo abanye my friend yabona ukuthi angajona leto yakubonisa my friend ukuthi abantu banjani yo leyo my friend iyathusa ke so my friend yo bengithi bayikunuka you are my friend lo yagayiwe bekangistress ngithi manya kuye nangilapho ngizisole ngithi so kanti ngiyangulanda yo indawo my friend lapho ngathi so nguse ngathi amathawa khona ukundlula use ngathi manje sofuna ukuhlanza ke wawuza my friend ngisho yena se ungayi nje bad experience mara so far missing my friend lo bengitshela ngiyakhumbula izandla zakhe zisoft clean unuka kamnandi my friend like yo angazi lo yakayenza la ngisongilanda imoto yakhe yasakha la my friend angkhona nokwenzani mara asangambona ngazivalela umkhukhini kabhudiza ngangayikithi ngazivalela ngizivalele my friend Look, ngicela ubhutisa ukuthi angicheckele ubhutisa to gift imali yakhe. Bana salungisa. Yeah. Mayibuthela utshela ugift yasazi ukuthi ngintombazana emizweni uye la. Yo, bacabanga mina, kodwa bese uyabhora shame. Yo. Yo, hayi that yeah, bokuyipiye. That's the last step before singana nabo Chris. Into mina before nabo Chris. 2024. Hayi mara 2024 kanjani? 2024 masibe ngihosta ilontuzana. I-fashion show. Last year. Ngicale nini ukutshela nothando? Hayi it was 2024 late. It was late 2024 because fashion show I think being October. I think it was after. Kushisa. Lapho. Ekuvutha. Yeah. Yo, ay. Leya nomfishane, lo police. Hayi, lo bani lo umfishane my friend uhlala eThembelile. Asekuyoyela ku December. Ngiyakhumbula yo, hlanganisa laba. Yo, ujo ala yonke into. The girls will think we are only if we sebenza. Only if we sebenza, bese siphumelele laphayana.